Welcome back to another video on E and
Jay.
And today, we're still in Dunsmuir, if you watched our podcast. We have not eaten yet. It's currently like 11 o'clock.
I know, it's so cold outside.
I went fishing this morning, and I caught 2 fish, but we all caught 5 fish in total, so yay.
I went fishing like at 6 in the morning, and I caught 1, but it was like a baby. And like I went back to the cabin because I was so scared, and then I woke up at like 10.
Sorry I look so rusty. I don't really do much when I'm camping, so.
Me too, I didn't get a haircut.
We'll see you at the pizza factory. See ya.
Alright guys, so we're going inside of the pizza factory right now. Edie has to fix her stuff up. But yeah, we're gonna film inside the pizza factory. So. Guys, this is like amazing. Like games were like gone, but now look at like. And then this is the amazing part. They're a Giants fan, and I think you can tell, right, Edie?
Big time.
Big time. We are so happy. Please like support this video like so much. Like click the post notifications button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And
let's go play some air hockey tournament. $5 tournament. The tournament did not go well. Come to this arcade because look, I forever will beat Jaden in this game.
It's just so fun. Like there's so many things that you could do here, and they have like Giants things everywhere. Hey guys, just a little message. I'm pranking Edie later in the video, so stay tuned for that, okay? Because I don't know when, but like I'm pranking her today. Tomorrow, we have a video coming, and then the day after that is our last day seeing her. So you will get content for us, like not together, but like kind of together. You guys. Edie's playing. She's gonna do pretty good though. I don't have $2. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. You guys are gonna win and you're gonna lose, Edie. It's okay for you. Did you get it?
Is there more than one ball?
Yeah. The other ball is somewhere over here.
No, I lost it.
It's right there.
There we go. Dang it. Why does it go through the middle? I can't do that thing.
Well, it's okay.
Wait, there's one more.
You're winning or lose.
There's one more.
We're
There's
still
one more, bro.
besties.
There's one more.
I know, but we're still besties.
Just record the game. So yes, I did worse than I thought I would, but I did fine.
She did pretty good, guys. But this game right here, if you come here, don't play it. It literally is broken. It autopilots on you.
Thanks, Jaden. You just yelled that, and I think the whole pizza factory heard that.
But we'll see you guys when we get the pizza.
I heard Jaden, you wanted to prank me? No.
So guys, we're walking to go get changed, and we're gonna go swimming. So unfortunately, we can't record like underwater for you guys, but we can record jumping each other inside the water with each other. So, like one of us jumping in the water, one at a time. So,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So we are now going swimming. I got ready. Edie looks so fantastic.
Good boy, you look so good. Okay, so
Okay, so we're gonna go check if there's towels because we can't go swimming obviously without an adult.
we have towels, but a bunch of other people in our family want to go swimming too, and we're gonna have fun. But we have to make sure that they have towels.
Yeah.
For
No, just the pool. Okay, so we want to show you guys the pool. So
we'll show you that in the next clip.
yeah. So,
Bro, okay. This is just real life. We struggle. It's okay. We struggle too.
they don't have towels no more.
Oh, they got rid of the bin, huh? Oh, the pool looks so much cleaner than it does. It's cold. Yeah, the pool. This is lake water, by the way. So it's gonna be freezing, but at least we got that pretty view from up there. It isn't? Oh, I guess it's not lake water no more. They have a little cleaning thing in here. That is literally so cool. All right, we'll get back to you guys in a minute. It's so cold. Jaden, do you want to jump in together? I got my phone. Okay. Yeah. Because the machine's right there, right here. No, but right here. Jaden. Why? Yeah, but he's right there.
Will you splash me?
Jay, the machine's right there. Come on. Ready? The machine's right there. Ready? 3, 2. Try to prank me? Try to prank me? Nah. Nah.
Oh, nearly.
Nah. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Sorry we had to end it here, but we just had a very busy day. Say bye.
Bye.